Hey you guys, it's Nessa here and I'm back with another tutorial. Today I will be showing you guys how to do a Buttcial, aka butt facial, aka booty smoothie. That's what I named it. So basically what a booty smoothie is, it is a treatment service that is focusing on the buttocks area. It helps with improving skin texture, butt acne, and as well as giving it a nice glow. Okay, you guys? So this is perfect to add to your service list for the summertime. Okay, ladies are booking trips and they want to be on somebody's island sipping out of a coconut. All right, you guys, so let's get straight into it. Of course, the first step is always going to be the steamer, which is to oxygenate the skin. For some reason, I was unable to pick that up on my video, but it's definitely a steamer going, and I'm just cleansing the skin. I am using my conditioning body wash by Dermalogica. The link for that product will be in the bio below. My client is thicker, so I had to make sure that I am rubbing that product all over, okay, y'all? Then I'm going in with my compressed pink disposable facial sponges. I got these from Amazon. I will put the link for these bad babies in the description below. I use these all throughout all of my services, and they are my go-to. Next up is the exfoliation part of the service. So I am going in with my Truly watermelon butt scrub, and you guys, let me tell you, this smells so good. Like, I'm not even kidding. I tried this product out because I usually use my Dermalogica line daily microfoliant, but I tried this out because I actually came across it on TikTok, and I was like, okay, some of these things be overhyped, but I went and bought some for myself, tried it out for a good week, and then I bought some for my actual clients. And you guys, that was the best thing that I've ever did. Let me tell you guys a little bit about this product. Okay, so let me tell you guys a little bit about the Buns of Glory scrub. So basically this butt polish has wheat protein, and which helps with fine lines and cellulite, watermelon extract to help discoloration, and jojoba seeds to help exfoliate blemishes. So a little goes a long way. I'm going in with my steamed hot towel. You guys make sure you check that temperature, shake it off, or, you know, touch in between your wrists. Make sure that that temperature is not too hot. Your towel warmer can definitely burn your client. And then I'm just wiping the excess scrub off, you guys, and then I'm going to follow up with my masking step. All right, you guys, so now I'm moving on to the masking step using my Goji Berry mask. And I love this mask because this mask is very nourishing and it leaves your skin very soft with a nice glow. So that is why I choose a specific mask. I usually go in with jelly mask, but I didn't want to use jelly mask for this specific client, so I went in with my Goji Berry mask. Anyways, you guys, wait till you guys see this next step and what I'm about to incorporate in this mask. And you guys gonna see why I call it a booty smoothie. Okay, you guys, I incorporate live fruit, real fruit. Yes, I know, but if you guys looked up the benefits for fruit and vegetables in skincare, you would know that it does wonders. So I'm using lemons. Lemons are a good source of vitamin C, and lemons work as an astringent. So it also is good for acne. I really love doing this for my clients because I feel like I actually see a difference in their skin and when they keep coming consistently for their treatments. So I squeeze the juice out on the lemons to mix in with the mask and sit there while the mask is doing its dues, you know? And then you guys, after that, I remove the mask, but this is why I call it a booty smoothie, you guys. Literally, this is why I call it a booty smoothie. So I know I'm onto something. People might not understand, people might not get it, but look up the benefits of fruit and vegetables in skincare, and y'all gonna see why I do this. All right, you guys, now I'm going in with my infamous steam towels for my hot towel warmer. Always make sure you check the temperature. You never want to burn your clients and have them having a booty on fire. That is never okay. So I'm going to wipe the excess mask product off, and then I am going to be going in with the massage portion of this service. All right, you guys, so I am using my massage body oil from Dermalogica. Link for this product will be in the description below as well. And I am starting the massage portion of this service. And then I'll just let this play out, let you guys, you know, just vibe out to the rest of this video and to the next step. Okay, so now I am going to go in after I perform the massage portion. I'm going to go in with my ice globes. I got these cuties from Amazon. They are filled with glitters. They're super, super cute. And I put these in the refrigerator. The refrigerator, y'all. Do not put these in the freezer. They will break, okay? They will shatter. So I go in to deeply penetrate the massage oil into the skin, and the massage oil creates a nice slip for my ice globes. Now, what these ice globes do is they're cold, hence why they're called ice globes, and this helps with blood circulation. So I really love incorporating ice globes into all of my services. I do this for facials and I do this for body facials, and my clients love this part. It feels super soothing after their mask and their massage. All right, you guys, next up, I'm going to go in with my 4x4 squares. Now, I love my 4x4 squares. They help when you're trying to apply product or remove product from your client's skin. So I usually use these all the time, literally for most of my services. So link for these will be in the description below as well, y'all. All right, you guys, so I'm applying toner in this step, but my camera didn't pick it up, of course, because I'm spraying it from above. And then I'll put the link for that in the description below. And then now I'm going in with my butt serum. I love this serum so much. I usually use it after like waxes and stuff like that, butt waxes, different things like that. But I'll put the link for that in the description below as well. And I'm just massaging that all in, getting it all in the buttocks. And then I'm applying my moisturizer. So this is a body moisturizer. I usually use a little bit of it. You know, my client is on a thicker side, so I had to use a little bit more than normal and just massage that all in there. But y'all, peep the glow. This booty is ready to put on a bikini and be on somebody's island, y'all. I kill it every time. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and there will be more videos like this on the way. And if you are an aspiring esthetician, good luck on your journey, y'all. And comment below what you thought about this service. All right, your girl is out.